how did you go about, and, for somebody that's brand new, or maybe they've lived here 3, 4, 5 years, because there's, obviously our immigration is great. There's lots of people coming in. Again, there's pros and cons, because I don't think we're building enough fast enough. But for somebody that, is fairly new and they want to get started, like, what are some of the things that you did? Maybe the people that you've connected, maybe the team that you had, or like just some insights that you can provide, a fairly newcomer to the country.
This is our pet project for now. It's going to take off. We start to talk to different agencies that help people coming in. 500,000 people every year now, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit, when you land over here with the knowledge that I have now, what products are available, it's a bit unfair because you don't know what you don't know. It's like, how would you know? It's like I didn't even hear about these products before. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to bring a little bit more awareness to the newcomers about the, what's available then. I'm not licensed anything in this country, you know what I mean? Like, it's like, I'm not going to be CPAs or something like that, but I just want them to know this is what it does, and this is what it does, and this is how the mortgage works. And, it differs a little bit, right? So this is what we're trying to do to help the newcomers out. We do speak with even the people that, still immigrant, but have been here for like 15 years. And then we chat with them, or even locals over here, right? Whatever you consider local in Canada. The financial education is not a surprise. It's not, Canada is not the only country, right? It's like, Poland is the same, and Ireland is the same, and Germany are the same. It's financial education. People just they don't understand how the money works. And I don't mean money like cash. I mean money as a concept, right? So so this was very interesting to, we were interested in the subject, but not to this level that we're at right now when it comes to the money and how the whole thing operates. And actually, I have this book on my desk all the time. That it doesn't.
What's it called for those listening and not seeing?
It's The Changing World Order by Ray Dalio.
Yeah.
I don't know why he's not doing it, but this book talks about the big patterns, and it takes 80 years and how the money fluctuates. And if you look back in the history, what happened over the previous currencies, right? So same thing is going to happen. It's like, it's just a matter of time, right? How we float. And I like the question that you asked, the $50,000 question. I think it's exactly what we should be focusing on the real estate perspective, because the $50,000, it's still a lot of money, but it's not as much as it was 5 years ago, right?
No.
But the building has, appreciated with it, right? You didn't lose value of the building. The building grew with it.